Welcome back. Today we are going to learn the sheep craft. Let's start. Children, what is this? This is a sheep. Do you know we get wool from sheep? So now let's start to make sheep. For this we need pencil, white and black craft paper, scissor, glue and some cotton balls. First we will make face for the sheep. Now we will draw an ear part like this. Children, now we'll make cloud shape to make the body for sheep. You can see. Now the head and body part is ready. The next step is I have already made the eyes and the legs of. Now let's stick for it. Now I will stick the eyes. Let's stick the nose for the sheep. Now we will stick the legs. Now we will stick some cotton balls on the top of body. Now we will stick some cotton for the head part. Now our sheep is ready. I hope you will also enjoy while making this craft. Bye.